Today we are continuing with chapter number 5, that is review of C++, session 3. So let's start with today's session with control statements. Yes, what are control statements? Control statements alter the flow of sequence of instructions. So in control statements, there are of two types. First one is selection statement. Second one is iteration statement. So what is selection statement? So selection statements are the statements which allows us to select a statement or a set of statements based on some condition. In selection statement, there are of four types. The first one is if statement. The syntax for if statement is if condition statement. So if statement is also called as one-way branch selection statement. So in if statement, first it will check the condition. If the condition is true, based on that it is going to execute these statements. When it comes to next type, if else statement. If else statements are also called as two-way branch selection statements. Called as two-way branch selection statements. Syntax for if else statement is if condition statement 1 else statement 2. So this if condition is used when we have alternative statements has to be executed. So if the condition is true, it will execute some set of statements, and if the condition is false, it will execute another set of statements. So this is about if statement and if else statement. Next type of selection statement is nested if statement. Nested if statement. So what is nested if statement? Means an if else statement within another if else statement is called as nested if statement. So the syntax for nested if statement is if condition 1. So inside this another if condition. Condition 2. It will execute statement 1 else statement 2. Otherwise it will execute statement 3. So an if else statement within another if else statement is called as nested if statement. Next type of statement is switch statement. So switch statement is also called as multi-branch selection statement. It is also called as multi-branch selection statement. So the syntax for switch statement is switch condition or expression case 1 block 1 So this is the syntax for switch statement. Switch statement is also called as